Lifespan of HVAC furnace and air conditioning system before we should consider repair or replace.
Furnaces, you're probably looking at 12 to 18 years. Air conditioners, probably about 10 to 15 years.
Hot water heater.
Water heaters, about 7 to 12 years.
Roof.
Roof, about 15 to 20 years, hopefully closer to 20.
And I heard once before that the older HVAC systems were energy guzzlers, but they lasted longer. Is that true?
Well, yeah. The thing about the older HVAC equipment, both heating and cooling, is it might cost you more to run the thing for 5 years than it would to buy it if you were to buy a new one. So if it's an old piece of equipment and it's giving you any trouble at all, it might be time to upgrade.
And for the purposes of this, what do we consider to be old?
Well, if I see something over 15 years old, it's probably a good candidate for upgrading if there's any kind of problem that's more than a few $100s.